In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to join vectors in Inkscape. Whether you are dealing with overlapping shapes or disconnected path segments, understanding how to merge and combine these elements is essential for creating clean, professional-looking vector designs. If you want to master design software and streamline your workflow, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an update. Let's dive straight into the workspace. First, you need to prepare your objects. Select your vectors using the Selection tool by pressing S on your keyboard. It is vital to remember that before you can join anything, your objects must be paths. If you are working with shapes like rectangles or text, they must be converted. Simply go to the top menu, select Path, and then click Object to Path, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-C. Now let us look at the Boolean Union method. This is perfect for merging overlapping vectors into one silhouette. Overlap your items, go to the Path menu, and choose Union, or use the shortcut Ctrl+. This melts the shapes together and removes those internal lines. If you need to treat multiple items as a single object without destroying their original shapes, use the Combine command by pressing Ctrl-K. This keeps them as a compound path, sharing fill and stroke properties. For those working with complex line art, you may need to physically fuse nodes. First, combine your paths using Ctrl-K, then switch to your Node tool by pressing N. Turn on snapping by hitting the % key, then drag your end nodes so they snap perfectly onto each other. Highlight both nodes and click the Join Selected Nodes icon in the top toolbar to fuse them. If you accidentally make a mistake, you can always go to Path and choose Break Apart, or press Ctrl-Shift-K to separate them back into loose parts. Also, if you need to close a shape for coloring, make sure to use the Join Selected End Nodes with a new segment button inside the Node toolbar. This connects two loose points with a clean line. Learning the difference between Union and Combine is crucial because Union creates a new outline, while Combine is more like a grouping function. Keep these techniques in your design toolkit, and you will find your Inkscape workflow becomes much faster and more accurate. Remember to use those keyboard shortcuts, like N for Nodes and S for Selection, to keep your process moving quickly. I hope this guide has made vector editing feel much simpler for you. If this video helped you conquer Inkscape, please hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!